No, you're not!
Well, I feel so good, everything is getting hot. You better take it easy, 'cause the place is on fire. Been a hot day, nothing went too good. Now I'm gonna relax like everybody should. And I'm so glad we made it. Hey, hey, so glad we made it. You gotta give me some of love. Give me some of love. Give me some of love.
Meticulous and clean, we were never seen. Hidden in plain sight, under cover of daylight. It only took one mistake, and now they're on to us. They're digging up the graves. We're killing to get caught. Yeah, our trail is getting hot. This can only go on for so long. We're running for the hills. Hold my hand for one last thrill. Flying on down the side, we'll give them your name. Carefully made a mess and calmly caused distress. Dispose of evidence and the murder weapon. We drove the car into a lake, rinsed it all, put everything at stake. We're killing to get caught, yeah, our trail is getting hot. This can only go on for so long. We're running for the hills, hold my hand for one last thrill. If I go down the side, won't give them your name. Addicted, we can't stop like us away until we rot. How can something feel right and be wrong? Zero remorse for what we've done. Zero remorse for what we've done.
Sitting in 6-lane backed up traffic, horns are honking, I've about had it. I'm looking for an exit sign. Gotta get out of here, get it all off my mind. Then like a memory from your grandpa's attic, a song comes slipping through the radio static, changing my mood. A little George Strait in 1982, and it makes me wanna take a back road. Makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel in my travel, unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab my honey, tear down some two-lane country. Who knows? Get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road. I've been cooped up, tied down, bow, forgotten what a field looks like, full of corn and cotton. If I'm gonna hit a traffic jam, well, it better be a tractor man. I'm so sick and tired of this interstate system. I need a curve and wind, a twist in a dusty path to nowhere. with the wind blowing through my baby's hair. Yeah, makes me wanna take a back road, makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel in my travel, unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab my honey, tear down some two-lane country. Who knows, get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road, some old back road. Maybe it's the feeling, or maybe it's the freedom. Maybe it's that shady spot where we park the truck when things get hot. Girl, we park the truck when things get hot. And it makes me wanna take a back road, makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel in my travel, unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab you, honey, tear down some two-lane country. Who knows, get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road, some old back road, get back with my soul. All I gotta do is take some old back road to the shady spot where things get hot, girl. Way down, way down, way down, some old back road.
Something bumping, thumping on the wheel right. The mix in our drink's a little stronger than you think, so get a grip, take a sip of that feel right. Trucks jacked up, flat bills flip back. Yeah, you can find us where the party's at. This is how we roll. We hanging around, singing down everything on the radio. We light it up with our hands up. This is how we roll, this is how we do. We burning down the night, shooting bullets at the moon. Baby, this is how we roll. Yeah, baby, this is how we roll. We rolling into town with nothing else to do. We take another lap around. Yeah, holla at your boy if you need a ride. If you roll with me, yeah, you know we rollin' high up on them 37 needles. Windows tinted, hard to see though how fresh my baby is in a shotgun seat though. Them kisses are for me though, automatic like a free throw. This life I live, it might not be for you, but it's for me though. Let's roll. This is how we roll. We hanging around, singing down everything on the radio. We light it up with our hands up. This is how we roll, this is how we do. When the world turns ugly, I just turn and look at you, baby. This is how we roll.
We stick to our guns, we love who we love, and we wanna have fun, yeah. We cuss on them Mondays and pray on them Sundays, pass it around and we dream about one day, 'cause this is how we roll. Come on, we hanging around, singing down everything on the radio. We light it up with our hands up.
This is how we roll, this is how we ride. We're slanging up the mud, cutting through the countryside. Baby, this is how we roll. Yeah, this is how we roll.
This is how we roll.
sure you and I are gonna have issues.
I think I just hit that cone.
Hit it.
I've got stars in my great big sky I shall gaze upon without leaving small ones behind, because they're harder to find. Some were satellites, others planes. Some were twinkling while others were fading away, but they're all one of a kind. Ooh, it's not that interesting, but I'd like to keep it a secret, so I'll have something left to give. It's nothing difficult when you've got a luck of this kind. We've got to take advantage, we've got such limited time. Oh, I wonder how long does it take me to die? Ooh, it's not that interesting, but I'd like to keep it a secret, so I'll have something left to give. And I'll hear my children and grandchildren sing. Not that interesting, but I'd like to keep it a secret, so I'll have something left to give in my remaining years here. When I am old and play lazy, I'll have a little something left to give to all those who love me so much. I'd like to return the favor and have something left to give. And I'll hear my children and grandchildren sing. It's not that difficult when you've got a luck of this kind. To all those who love me so much, I'd like to return the favor. Wonder how long does it take me to die? Ooh, it's not that interesting, but I'd like to keep it a secret and have something left to give.
Makes me wanna take a back road, some old back road, get back with my soul.
Trucks jacked up, flat bills flip back. Yeah, you can find us where the party's at. This is how we roll. To all those who love me so much, I'd like to return the favor and have something left to give.